Welcome back to Quiz Uno. Today we're building your K-Pop Demon Hunters house. Get ready for 50 impossible choices. And before we start, don't forget to subscribe to Quiz Uno for more exciting quizzes. Choose your house. Choose your doorbell. Choose your challenge. Choose your toilet. Choose your bunk bed. Choose your fireplace. Choose your fridge. Choose your living room. Choose your playground. Choose your door. Choose your plush toy. Choose your treehouse. Choose your armchair. Choose your suitcase. Would you rather? Choose your closet. Choose your bedroom. Choose your castle. Choose your mailbox. Choose your phone case. Choose your handbag. Choose your massage chair. Choose your bed. Choose your toilet paper holder. Choose your swing. Choose your PS5. Choose your desk. Choose your home theater. Choose your gaming room. Choose your motorcycle. Choose your beanbag. Choose your headphones. Choose your backpack. Choose your popcorn maker. Choose your candy. Choose your mirror. Choose your lamp. Choose your kitchen. your laptop. Choose your toy storage. Choose your bathtub. Choose your drink. Choose your pillow. Choose your playroom. Choose your cake. Choose your piano. Choose your car. Choose your pool. Choose your couch. Choose your water park. Choose your mug. Choose your tissue box. Choose your dessert. Choose your bedside table.